everyone, in today's video we will see how to draw a horizontal line in TradingView. Okay, for a support resistance or a line tool. So you can simple go to your sidebar, click on the line section and then simple click on horizontal line. Okay, after that you can simple place the line where you want, like this. Here you will see I added. Also you can drag and drop the line, and also you have option to add the text here, like I am adding today low. Okay, also you can click on the setting icon to change the text, style and color of the line. Okay, which one you want. Wait, yes, and then click on OK. And also you can simple increase or decrease the line width. Okay, so once you tap on it, here you can simple increase the line width or the visibility according to it. Also you have option to place the line up and down, or you can add here multiple lines. Okay, so sorry, this is part of another setting. Yes, done. So here you can also make it dotted. So here is how you will easily able to create the horizontal line in TradingView. Here you will see. Okay, goodbye.